Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about vitamin D. Vitamin D, also known as sunshine vitamin, which plays an important role in calcium and phosphate metabolism, bone health and overall body homeostasis. Forms of vitamin D: there are two types, one is D2 form and second is D3. Vitamin D2, also called as ergocalciferol, present in plants and fungi. Vitamin D3, also called as cholecalciferol, synthesized in the skin under UVB, or it can be obtained from animal sources. Metabolism and activation. When the sun rays fall on the skin, 7-dehydrocholesterol, which is already present in the skin, gets converted into cholecalciferol. And the cholecalciferol reaches to the liver, where it gets converted into 25-hydroxy vitamin D. Reaches to kidney. 25-hydroxy vitamin D converted into 1,25-dihydroxy vitamin D, also called as calcitriol, by the enzyme 1A hydroxylase enzyme. Functions of vitamin D: maintains calcium and phosphate balance. In intestine, it increases the absorption of calcium and phosphate. In bone, stimulates osteoclasts, releases calcium, promotes bone mineralization. Overall effect: maintains normal serum calcium levels. Daily requirements. Infants, 400 international units per day, that is 10 milligrams. Children more than 1 year, 600 international units, that is 15 mg. Adults, similar requirement, may increase in pregnancy and elderly. Sources of vitamin D. Endogenous synthesis, sunlight exposure, main source. Dietary: fish, fish oils, egg yolk, liver, mushrooms, fortified milk. Note: natural foods contain very little vitamin D. Supplementation is often necessary. Vitamin D deficiency causes calcium absorption decreases, leads to hypocalcemia, which stimulates PTH, leads secondary hyperparathyroidism, leads to rickets in children, defective mineralization, bone deformities, osteomalacia in adults, bone pain, fractures. High risk groups: limited sunlight exposure, indoor lifestyle, cultural clothing, dark-skinned individuals, exclusively breastfed infants without supplements, malabsorption syndromes, celiac disease, cystic fibrosis. Drugs: phenytoin, rifampicin, isoniazid. Assessment: best marker, serum 25-OHD levels. Deficient, less than 12. Insufficient, 12 to 20. Sufficient, more than 20. Toxic, more than 100 nanograms per milliliter. Hypervitaminosis D. Toxicity, usually due to oversupplementation. Causes hypercalcemia, leads to nausea, vomiting, constipation, renal stones, polyuria, confusion. Long-term, kidney damage. Thank you.